Hello, my name is Wilson Privado. I am from El Salvador. I am a psychology major, and today I'm going to talk in my future project about what does the future hold for Pakistan and why should I care. I chose nuclear weapons because I thought it was a really interesting topic, and it was something I wasn't aware before, and it was really good to come to understand um, how Pakistan got possession of nuclear weapons, what are the possible options in the future for this country, and their control over them. To give some background, to understand a little bit about nuclear weapons are the most dangerous weapons on Earth, and these weapons can destroy a whole city, potentially killing millions of people. This is why um, this is a statement given by um, the United Nations, and that the effects last longer after a bomb is exploded in a city. We are aware that there have been only two times where these weapons were used. One time was in Hiroshima, and the other one in Nagasaki. This is in 1945. But around the world, there are around 2,000 nuclear tests conducted to date. So it's important that the disarmament is the best protection against such dangers. But achieving this goal has been a tremendously difficult challenge. And today we're going to talk about what has been done with Pakistan to help to control these nuclear weapons. This is what it this shows the global nuclear warhead inventories, and it shows how United States and Russia have 90% belong, or these nuclear weapons belong to them, and then the rest is distributed in other countries. And here we can see Pakistan. Now, in the 4 decades since Pakistan launches its nuclear weapons program, and especially in 15 years since the nuclear test of 1998, a way of thinking and a related set of feelings about the bomb had been taking hold among policymakers and the public in Pakistan. Now, these ideas includes that these ideas there have been ideas told in Pakistan to ensure the security. One of the things is that why Pakistan have these weapons is because of the long-standing dispute with India over Kashmir. Um, and also, Pakistan is a leader among Islamic countries, and they are striving to make sure to keep this to protect their nation. Um, Yet the feelings about the bomb remain strong, and it is these feelings that will have to be examined critically and be set aside if Pakistan is to move forward, to move towards nuclear restraint and nuclear disarmament. Now, this will require a measure of stability in a country that has many insurgencies. The emergence of peace movement able to launch a national debate of foreign policy and nuclear weapons is a great concern. Now, another important risk with the Pakistan possession of nuclear weapons is that the government main reason like I mentioned before, is to protect themselves. But there are evil forces still in this nation, like the Taliban. Them, they want to control them for the purpose of chaos and threats. Now, to ensure that the future doesn't get affected by this, there's a few suggestions that can help Pakistan to make sure that their weapons are being controlled by government in good hands. One is bringing Pakistan and India into a non-proliferation regime, and two, sustain economic programs to promote development in the areas of Pakistan affected by Islamic extremists, the Taliban, for example. If there is a union to fight this plague, um, these people, there, the less risk is that these um, weapons can come in the wrong hands. There is an investment in a genuine democratic process in Pakistan, um, and the question is, after all this suggestion, if Pakistan is willing to fight, or if there's another country like the USA willing to fight this way with them. So, knowing this, and these are some options that they may have. The outcome is that many people tend to think that the outcome of nuclear weapons used today will result in an escalatory situation with apocalyptic outcomes for the countries involved. But yet many factors are increasing the probability of the limited use of nuclear weapons in a range of conflict scenarios. So the likelihood that there will be like an apocalyptic explosion, and is not that likely. I'm not saying it's not possible, but with the controls that they're having, plus what we had considered before here, the likelihood is of an incident is not that big. As long as Pakistan keeps developing programs against these extremist groups like the Taliban, and there's the intervention of countries such as the United States, there can be good outcomes. So Pakistan should be trained to have a control over it and strive to improve the relationship with India as well. We know that's, like I mentioned before, the main reason why they got the weapons. Thank you so much, and let me know if you have any questions.